editor me here. I don't know how to edit, so yeah, I need to watch a couple tutorials in CapCut. So have fun with this long video, or how many times I had it. Anyways, go to the video. Hi, welcome to my school. I think is that how it works? The code got banned. Anyways, I'm trying to do the next bot sounds if I can. Biting Kitty 93. I don't know how you say it. Ooh.
Hello, this is your former President Barack Obama, and I just want to tell you I know how to beatbox with a little bit of
yeah. I say that was 50% perfect. I don't know what to do next. I'm running out of ideas. Okay then. I love Five Freddy's. Anyways, let's do it. Okay, that was 1%. I can't even do it. I don't know what language is that. What? Evade? You are an idiot. 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 Easy.
I'm killing you. I'm killing you. I don't care about anything else. My programming is just get that guy right now. Because there is no, like, oh, he's running? Oh, no. Nope. I'm killing you.
Okay, yeah. Okay, after it's easy. Criminal. This guy just said GD MVP test 1. He saw criminal and said criminal. Can't even understand. Let's try. You know what? I have backup. Next what sounds. I love Angry Munchie. I will always find you. Okay, let's.
It was for the greater good, ma'am. It was low-key, others. It was for the greater good, ma'am. It was low-key, others.
I love Crusher. Let's just skip that one.
What the dog doing?
What the dog doing?
What the dog doing? What the dog doing?
Oh man.
You can't handle it. Hold up. Ain't you Nathaniel B? You can't handle it. Hold up. Ain't you Nathaniel B?
Bruh. Oh. too slow. You're too slow. You're too slow. You're too slow. Boss, no. Boss, no. Those are.
Alright. I say,
Dum 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 dum. Dum 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 Hello, this is your former. I play for this next one. Okay. I don't know. Then that sucks to remove next bot.
why
Was
isn't it
impossible.
possible? It's just not.
Why not?
You stupid. Why isn't it possible?
Oh,
It's
that's
just
so
not.
weird.
Why?
I can do this. Is that loud enough? I'll find the last one is gonna do. What's up, guys? It's going. Okay, it's just him over there.
What's up, guys? It's Glendale Dingle here. I have been arrested for multiple crimes, including battery on a police officer,
What?
grand theft, declaring war on Italy, and public indecency. I will be escaping prison on March 28th. After that, I will take over the world.
All about it.
Greetings, Quandale Dingle here. My cousin Henry Bartholomew Dinglenut got arrested for putting a TNT in a daycare center.
What the fudge?
Put a camera in Joe Biden's bathroom and watched him take a poop.
I said fudge. Reminding you of.
My Asian brother Quan Ling Ling Dingle put illegal substances in my ramen and I died. Hey fellas, it's Quandale Dingle here. I put Bert's and Vladimir Putin's string and he went to bed for a really long time. I trapped my autistic son's hand in an air fryer. I dumped boiling water on a prison guard's head. My goofy off friend Jamarius Quangle Dangle tried to eat my butt during Ramadan.
What was that? I could go for the last one this time. Hold on, guys. Holy cow. Okay, 8 minutes and 22 seconds left. Oh, wait. Stop.